Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to get my tab back to normal in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and take some text. Now we want to apply or get my back to normal. Firstly, press tab on our keyboard. Then get normal. Click the before the text and press backspace on our keyboard. Then we can see we get back to normal very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.